Hi my friends, my name's Scott. Today we are looking over this OB2 scanner. All system and all make scanners with special functions. Well, let's go ahead, show you what you get and test it out. Now it's a huge plus that it comes in this nice protective case. There's a lot of OB brands out there that could really learn from this company by putting them in protective cases. So let's see, it looks like we get a USB, probably for connecting to a computer. What do we got here? Oh, that's okay. So it's a removable front screen. Interesting. Just pop that back in place. They give you a manual. Of course, your OB port plug. This is going to plug into the device and into your car. I believe it works on all 1997 and newer vehicles. It's either 97 or 96, I believe. Make sure you look at the listing to confirm that number. This is what it looks like. It's heavy duty with lots of options. Let's go test it out. Locate your OB port. It's going to be somewhere around the driver's side. For us, it's right there, but it could be underneath near the gas pedal or related. Most vehicles you won't have to turn on. You can just turn the key to the on position. But for us, we're just going to turn it on. But there are some features that you will need it to be actually on. So this is what it looks like. You can do auto VIN, OB2, diagnostics, history, maintenance, settings, data manager, and update as well. So we're going to go under here. We're just going to go over a couple things, not go over a crazy amount of settings. F1, press OK. It's communicating. System status. We can do read codes now. You can do system status, read codes, erase codes, live data, freeze frame, IM readiness, onboard monitoring test, component test, and vehicle information. And this is just under this one setting. We're going to do stored codes. Okay, so there's no stored codes. Let's go down to pending codes. No pending codes, which is great. And permanent codes. There. Okay, so it's not supported for our vehicle. Okay. We're going to go back, select protocol. For protocol, you can do all these other options. Pause the video to read right there. We're going to head back again. We can do auto VIN, which we're not going to show you the VIN number, but we're going to test it out. Okay, so it did show the VIN number, which is great. So that does work. We can go over here, America. So you can do Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, GM, Jeep, or Tesla for America. You got Asia, China, Europe, all these different regions. You got maintenance. So it just lets you know ABS service and all these different things, but overall, nice OB port.